Hey everyone! Welcome to our channel. Today, we have a super exciting topic for you. We're going to talk about making money on Etsy by integrating it with Printful. That's right. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build your own successful online store and generate passive income. So, if you're ready to start selling unique and custom products, hit that like button, and let's dive right in. So, what's the deal with Etsy and Printful? Etsy is an online marketplace focused on handmade, vintage, and unique items, perfect for creators and small businesses. Printful is a print-on-demand service that allows you to create and sell custom products online, without worrying about inventory, printing, or shipping. Now, imagine combining these two powerful platforms. You'll be able to start your own business selling unique, custom-made products to a massive audience on Etsy, all while leveraging Printful's top-notch printing and fulfillment services. Sounds amazing, right? Let's dive deeper. First things first, you need to set up your Etsy store. Here's a quick rundown. Sign up for an Etsy account and create your shop. Choose a unique and memorable shop name that reflects your brand. Customize your shop by adding a logo, banner, and shop announcement. Set up your shop policies, including shipping, returns, and payment methods. Optimize your shop's SEO by using relevant keywords in your shop title and description. Don't worry. We'll have a more in-depth tutorial on setting up your Etsy store in an upcoming video. So be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Now that your Etsy store is set up, it's time to create a Printful account and connect it to your Etsy shop. Sign up for a free Printful account. Once logged in, navigate to the Stores tab and click Choose Platform. Select Etsy, and follow the step-by-step guide to connect your Printful account with your Etsy shop. And that's it. Your Etsy store is now connected to Printful. Time to create some amazing products. With your accounts connected, you can start designing and listing products for sale on Etsy. Here's how. In your Printful dashboard, click Add Product. Choose a product category, like apparel, accessories, or home goods, and select a specific product. Use Printful's mockup generator to upload your design, adjust its size and placement, and choose product colors. After finalizing your design, click Proceed to Details to add pricing, tags, and product descriptions. Remember to use relevant keywords to optimize your listing for search. Once you're satisfied, click Publish to send the product listing to your Etsy store. And that's it. You've just created and listed your first product using Printful and Etsy. Now, let's talk about marketing and driving sales. To make money on Etsy, you need to get your products in front of potential customers. Here are some effective marketing strategies to help you drive traffic and sales. Optimize your Etsy SEO. Use relevant keywords in your product titles, descriptions, and tags to improve search visibility. Utilize social media. Share your products on platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to reach a larger audience. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers in your niche to showcase your products and gain exposure. Offer promotions and discounts. Attract customers with limited-time offers, discounts, or free shipping promotions. Engage with your audience. Respond to customer inquiries and reviews, and create a community around your brand. And there you have it. That's how you make money on Etsy using Printful. With creativity, dedication, and the right marketing strategies, you'll be on your way to building a successful online business. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. We'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy selling!